Hi guys, this is Hector. Welcome to a new video. Today is the 24th of October 2007, Wednesday. It's 3 p.m. London time. I'm going to record my daily video today right now because, well, I'm about to close the shop for today. The two setups that I've been following today seems like they are going to take a little bit longer to unfold. So I am fairly confident they will not trigger today. So I'm just gonna record my video and keep on watching this setup. Keep these setups for tomorrow probably. I was telling the guys on my mailing list this morning that I did not find many setups today worth trading. I don't know why. Perhaps the like I was saying, the markets are switching gears, or we are going through a period of technical readjustment in the charts. Like I say, for some reason I couldn't find any decent setup on the time frames that I usually like to keep an eye on, which is the 30-minute chart, the 1 hour time frame, the 4 hours, and the daily chart. The only two setups that I found were both of them related to the Canadian dollar. In this case, today I was following the American dollar against the Canadian dollar and the sterling pound against the Canadian dollar. Alright, I'm going to show you those two setups. First of all, let's begin, for example, with the sterling pound against the Canadian dollar. Okay, that's the setup, the currency pair you're watching right now on my screen, the GBP CAD in the 4 hours time frame. Basically, what we've seen is a downtrend. Okay, we have a massive down thrust here and a period of consolidation, another down thrust, and now we're going through another period of consolidation. Actually, it looks like a flat bottom triangle, as I'm marking right now on my screen, with a clear double bottom level at about 197.30. Okay, 197.25, around there. Actually, let me zoom in a little bit. Right there, 197.20 to be exact. That's the level where we've had the double bottom being this low being last Friday's low, and this being yesterday's low. All right, so basically, since we are in a downtrend, the most expected move should be a breakout to the downside, okay, in the direction of the main trend, in the direction of those moving averages. Should this consolidation area break to the upside, well, I would have to cancel the whole thing. For the time being, we are still consolidating sideways, as you can see, within, like I said, this flat bottom triangle. All right, so once again, the trade plan is to wait for a breakout to the downside, okay, with my typical breakout pullback continuation in order to search for a short entry, hopefully being able to squeeze some pips of a whole new swing to the downside, okay, into new lows in this within this trend. Okay, like I said, should this breakout take place in the opposite direction, I will have to cancel the whole thing. As you can see, price today has found resistance once again at the flat bottom triangle right there, and it's bounced back into the consolidation area. So for the time being, as you can see, it's just bouncing up and down, and therefore it's waiting time, okay, until this level, the 197.20 level, gives way to the downside. I'm basically in waiting mode. Okay. The next one, the other setup that I was following today, is a very similar setup actually. Is the USD against the Canadian dollar. If I zoom out a little bit, we can clearly see a downtrend. Okay, very clear downtrend, as signified by those moving averages, all of them pointing in the same direction. Parallel to each other, price nowhere near the 100, etc, etc. The type of moving average formation I like to see in my charts. Basically what we've seen is a period of consolidation, swing down, then a little bit of swinging up and down, then another period of consolidation with a clear level working as support just above the 0.9800, okay, and a clear level of support at 0.9630 right there. Okay, so like I say, two levels, very well defined levels. The resistance up here right above the 0.9800, and and one level of support right below the 0.9650. okay, as usual, I will only be looking to try a possible breakout to the downside in the direction of the moving averages as usual. Any breakout of this level to the upside will, well, basically cancel the whole thing, and the only way I would possibly trade this setup is with a breakout of this level, okay, like as usual with a typical breakout pullback continuation, hopefully riding a new swing to the downside, okay. But just as in the previous setup, okay, price is still bouncing down, up, down, now a little bit up, okay, basically moving within this consolidation area until these, either one of these two levels give way. Well, you know, it's waiting time once again, okay, nothing you can do about it. I personally hate trading the chop. I actually never tried the chop. I always wait for the for range or for consolidation areas to give way before considering an entry, right? I'm liking how we've seen a clear downtrend. It's just a matter of trying to spot a breakout to the downside, and just a matter of finding the proper level to enter this market short, okay. But like I say, once again, only and if this double bottom gives way, okay. That's basically it for today, guys. Really, as I was telling the guys in my mailing list this morning, I just can't find many trading setups, okay, this week. It was yesterday I had the same problem. I'm just not seeing any solid trending chart across the board, okay. None of the currency crosses I usually follow you know, are showing any healthy trend. So, well, what can I say? It's just it's time to remain patient, okay, and keep on waiting until new trends and develop, or until these consolidation areas give way and break to the downside. All right, okay, guys, I'll be keeping you updated on whatever happens on these setups, and nonetheless I will be seeing you tomorrow on the website with new videos. Okay, bye bye.